shocking, isn't it? If no actions are taken, news like this will become more frequent.
Before defining what is global warming, we need to understand what is the greenhouse effect. This natural phenomenon is very important for the planet. It keeps the Earth warm by holding part of the sun's heat, making the planet have the ideal condition of life. Because of human activities, such as burning fossil fuels like coal and oil, more CO2 and other gases are being trapped in the atmosphere, and with it, more heat is also being trapped, leading the Earth to warm up more and more, creating what we call global warming. In more technical words, global warming is the abnormal increase of the temperature that can lead to catastrophic consequences. Global temperatures are projected to rise up to 3.2 degrees Celsius by 2100. To limit, global net CO2 emissions must drop by 45% between 2010 and 2030 and reach net zero around 2050. The biggest outcomes that we have already started to see are massive increase of storms and disaster in certain regions, loss of biodiversity and ecosystem, more frequent fires, and ice meltdown. Now, let's focus on the ocean's life. Among the biggest threats to nature is plastic, one of the main responsible for the burning fossil fuels. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation's prediction, by 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Another fact that endangers this environment is the release of pollutants on the coast, contaminating the water and infecting animals that later on will serve as food for human beings who may also contract some diseases.
We cannot stand still. We have to do something. We must practice conscious consumption and production. But what is it?
Conscious consumption means engaging with the economy, being more aware of how your consumption impacts society. It involves the research for sustainable products and services, the saving of resources, the use of goods until the end of their useful life, and recycling materials. Conscious production is when companies produce in a sustainable way and have in mind your impact in the environment.
So interesting. And what can we do to practice conscious consumption?
Well, the population can reduce it by avoiding the use of straws and disposable cups, reducing the volume of garbage, dispensing correctly the disposable plastic bags, and preferring to use reusable materials. It is important to support sustainable businesses that make sure to eliminate industrial waste properly.
If we want to make a difference, we have to fight for the climatic conditions of our planet. Even the smallest action has an impact, but hurry, 'cause we don't have a lot of time.